Here we have train 891, MP36, number 35, heading for Frederick. Looks like he's pulling straight 7700s.
There he is now. And it's engineer Ricky.
You do the windshield?
I don't know. If he sees us from here, he might.
Wait a minute. Those don't look like 7700s, do they?
No, they're not.
Those are 8000s.
Yeah, he's got a single level in 8000s.
That's weird. Maybe there's two trains this length. Here we have 35 heading for Frederick. Oh, he's pulling a long train.
Yeah, it's a 6-car train.
Maybe this one had the cover for 893 or something.
I think Ricky just commented us on. He's not even supposed to go to that route crossing.
35 heading for Frederick. Mostly 8000s.
A single level in front.
Cab car on this train, I'll guarantee you, is 8051.
Maybe. Yeah, I've never seen 891 this long.
I think he's got extra passengers.
6 cars, and he usually only has 3 or 4.
Mostly 4. I think they needed it due to an extra amount of passengers.
Yeah. I really wasn't expecting him to have that many passengers for